6% ग्रोथ.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, सदांच जेन्ना नोकऱ्यांचो विशय येता तेन्ना सगळे जाण उठतात आनी तुजेर बोट दाखयतात.
बरोबर.
तूं इतली लोकांक हाडले, तुवें 70ची लोकांक इतली लोकां भरले, ताका लागून तुगेले गव्हर्नमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाची एफिशियन्सी कमी जाली, जाय तशी लोक काम करनात.
म्हाका तुम्ही पर्सनली एक ओपिनियन दियात एज अ न्यूट्रल व्यू की हांव आरोग्य मंत्री आसलो, हांव आरोग्य मंत्री आसतना जायती सोयी सुविधा आमी चालू दवरलेली. आनी तुमकां म्हाका एक अभिमान दिसता की आमी न्यूबॉर्न बेबी स्क्रीनिंग म्हणून आमी चालू केल्ले. ते आयज टायम्स ऑफ इंडियाचेर फ्रंट पेज येताले. इंडियन काउन्सिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्चान सांगला की वाय नॉट न्यूबॉर्न बेबी स्क्रीनिंग टू बी मेड मॅन्डेटरी इन एव्हरी स्टेट कंपल्सरीली. ते बंद केल्या सरकारान. इन्सुलिन दिवप बंद केला सरकारान. म्हणजे आमी आमच्या लेवलाचे स्किम्स आमी तयार करतले, इम्प्लिमेंट करतले. आमचे एक वेगळे तरेचे असले. आयज 108 30 मिनटां जाल्यार बी 108.
यू आर जस्टिफायिंग ऑल युअर जॉब्स.
आय एम जस्टिफाइंग. I do not say, I would like to go on record. I am not saying that out of 100 things, all 100 things I have done correct. I may have done certain things wrong. Perhaps I may be reflecting on certain things which I have done wrong. But what are the good schemes of the government that was started at that time? It is the efficiency of that concerned minister to see that he brings a system.
They continue.
No. He has to have a strict monitoring setup to implement and monitor that these things are run. And if required, the minister should ensure that X minister did this. हांव प्रयत्न करतलो की त्याच्यापेक्षा चड आपण सक्सेसफुल ती स्कीम करून दाखयतलो. वो ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आसूंक जाय.
I would like to react to this. I must really say that there were some things which were very good. पण तुम्ही म्हणता तशें की 70चे लोकांक हाडून भरले ते इट मे नॉट बी हिज फॉल्ट वेअर ही हॅज इंटेंडेड वेल. पण ते लोक एडवांटेज घेता आणि क्रॉसबॅक रिफर करता की आपण अमक्याचो मनीस तमक्याचो मनीस, सो यू कांट टच मी एक्सेट्रा. आय विल नॉट.
लोक गैरफायदो घेतात.
या. So, but the officers who are in place over them should not be such that they will bend to such kind of, threats or whatever else it is. But coming back to the budget, I just want to say that हे म्हणतात जशें की काँग्रेस सरकारान खूब बरें कितें केलां. Let us not write it off because there are plenty of good plans that the Chief Minister has provided. He has talked about a financial district. He has talked about investment policy. He's talking about new bridges. He's talking about film, sports and entertainment as an alternate area.
Correct.
He's talking about an IT hub and a suitable place for it. Okay, and he also has talked about making Goa an education hub. So there are these plans which reflect that he is a person with a vision. But again, the question that comes is that the vision must translate into concrete plans and it must be.
एक गजाल जी आसा ती ते म्हणतात की अशी परिस्थिती असताना सरकारान ज्यो स्किमी समजा पेट्रोला वेल जावं जो एक डायरेक्ट रेव्हेन्यू येतालो किंवा आनी बाकीचे ज्यो पॉप्युलर स्किम्स आसूं त्यो स्किम्स खंय तरी आडावन दवरपाक जाय आशिल्ल्यो. लोकांक प्रामाणीकपणान सांगपाक आशिल्लें की बाबा सद्या रावात, मुखार पळोवया.
That is too much to expect from politicians. हांव एक academician ह्या नात्यान हांव सांगपाक शकता की when we are counting down to the 2014 election, which may not even be in 2014, it probably might be in 2013, you would find that a number of policies would be influenced more by political considerations rather than economic considerations.
You agree with her की as a politician,
of course,
you schemes फाटी घेवप किंवा होल्ड दवरप शक्य ना. Whatever be the economics.
No, I totally agree. But what I also want to bring on record is I totally agree that a lot of times a politician is governed by his political compulsions which exist. We don't always work based on what is the economically right decisions.
It is always politically correct.
There is a political cover to this whole thing, always. Because ultimately this is politics. Politics brings a party to power. And then you have to see that what you promise the people you deliver. But हांगा कितें जावंक लागला की what I am trying to say is हांगा जे जावंक जाय म्हणून काल हांवें बजेटान कितें सांगलें की लास्ट टायम मुख्यमंत्रीची मिटींग जाल्ली नॅस्कॉम कडेन तेच्या नंतर कितें जालें आमकां कोणाक खबर ना. नॅस्कॉमाचे कितें असले गोष्टी जेन्ना जाता, नॅस्कॉमा कडेन जेन्ना मिटींग करता की आयटीचे संबंधान 100 लोक आयटी लिटरेट घेतले डिपार्टमेंटान ते काय आयटी इज नॉट गोइंग टू प्रोग्रेस. पण मुख्यमंत्रीन काल उल्लेख केलो की आय हॅव कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ सर्टन पीपल अँड आय वूड लायक टू ब्रिंग देम बट वॉन्ट टू फॉर्म्युलेट अ गुड लँड पॉलिसी. दॅट इज अ वेलकम डिसिजन. आमकां सगळ्यांक जाय की आयटी शूड प्रोग्रेस. आमचो विरोधी पक्ष नेतो ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड द चीफ मिनिस्टर से गो हेड अँड डू वॉट इज टू बी डन, प्रोग्रेस, प्रमोट आयटी. पण दुसऱ्या बाजून कितें आसा की ऑन द अदर सायड you look at the whole scenario what is happening, you look at the whole projections. Our deputy chairman of planning commission and Poirut sangla, the downward risk is still not over. When you downward risk is not over and when the government itself is going in for has gone in for borrowings, काल आमी तेच उल्लेख करताले म्हणून व्हडलो हे जालो की हांव नरेंद्र मोदीक प्रेस करा. हांवें नरेंद्र मोदीक प्रेस करूंक ना, पण हांवें कितें सांगलां की त्या राज्यान बी 35,000 कोटी रुपया 2002 रीण असले. Debt has gone up to 1,76,000 crores. But then I said, is there that vibrancy? But then industries have gone into Gujarat. That's the reality.
Yes.
That
But
on ground,
There is an optimism.
No, there is no.
There is an optimism which is translating into
Actions.
action over
Yeah.
there.
No, there.
Which we are finding absent over
Yes,
here.
that's
Oh,
right.
yeah.
I say that's what I was trying to say. I asked a question: is there vibrancy there? Then I said yes, perhaps because large number of industries have gone into Gujarat.
otherwise they wouldn't have gone there.
Otherwise, they would have not got.
Yeah.
The debt is on one side, industry going in is on one side, but in Goa it is not. I have got an industries minister's reply, which is quite sad to see the type of industries that are coming to the state. म्हणजे त्या तरेचे एक अभिमान असो जावचो की बाबा ह्या तरेचे इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ जाला, ह्या तरेचे इंडस्ट्रीज गोंया राज्यान येता ती जावंक ना.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, म्हजो वेळ सोंपपाक आयला म्हणून हे जर बजेट सद्याची परिस्थिती भितर मायनिंगाचे कितें जातलें आमकां खबर ना, सुरू जाल्यार कितलें सुरू जातलें तेंय खबर ना. कितें दिसता वॉट पर्सेंटेज ऑफ दीस बजेट कॅन बी इम्प्लिमेंटेड आनी सीएम इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक शकता?
फाटल्या वर्सा खुबशे घोशणा केल्ली. हांव म्हणना की सगळे गोष्टी इम्प्लिमेंट करूंक पावचे ना, पण हे जेन्ना स्किम्स ह्या तरेचे वयता सगळ्या लोकांक त्या स्किमीचो फायदो गावचो ना. ज्या तरेचे प्रोजेक्ट
50% जातले 60% जातले, व्हॉट इज युअर एस्टिमेट?
ना पळयात, हांव ते सांगूं शकना. हांव एकूच सांगूं सोदता की लास्ट इयर जायत्यो इनिशिएटिव्स दे हॅड प्रॉमिस्ड. UID linkages, new agriculture policy, new industrial water treatment, land acquisition, jobs, annual performance report of each department, हे सगळे गोष्टी जावंक ना. हांव कितें म्हणूं सोदता की बाबा ह्या राज्यान प्रॅक्टिकल जर रावंक जाय, मायनिंग हो गोंय राज्याचो लिगल मायनिंग हो बॅकबोन आसा.
तो जायना, इक्वेशन जाग्यार पडचे ना.
तो सध्या ना, तेजेर आमी उलोवन कांय अर्थ ना. पूण जे कितें तरेचे टॅक्सेशन लावपाचें चल्लां, इट इज चोकिंग द एक्झिस्टिंग इंडस्ट्री. इनडायरेक्टली ट्युरिझम इंडस्ट्रीक मार बसता. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड वॉटराचे ह्या तरेचे बिलां लायल्या, ह्या तरे रेट्स लायल्या. You're going indirectly taxing the other things, so common man is finding it difficult and industry is finding it difficult to survive. What I want to just tell you is that overall looking at this budget, this is not a growth oriented budget, but there are certain compulsions with the chief minister to follow.
I don't escape.
No, he cannot escape because the reality is there is no mining revenue. But the same time of thing, we have been supportive and we have been critical of certain things in the budget. पण हांव कितें एकूच तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता की ह्या बजेटांतल्यान जे कितें आश्वासनां दिल्या सगळीं काय पूर्ण जावपाचें अशक्य आसा.
अशक्य. तुमकां कितें दिसता कितली पर्सेंट बजेट इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाक शकता, कितली प्रॅक्टिकल आसा?
I would be happy if the chief minister is able to realize even 50%.
Oh,
because
well,
I would not want him to suffer from a boomerang. की ताणी इतली आश्वासना दिली, इतले होप्स क्रिएट केले आणि तातूंतले पूर्ण जावना, and so the government is to be blamed. अशी परिस्थिती आडू नये आणि अशी परिस्थिती जावची नाही म्हणून I think the chief minister should be very cautious and he should monitor the implementation very, very strictly because that is going to be.
But you are saying that more than 50% of implementation is not possible.
No, I seriously
in present scenario.
I seriously doubt that more than 50% would be possible.
Budget implement जावप खूप कठीण आसा.
खूप कठीण because there is no alternative place from where you are going to raise the revenue.
सगळे वाटो बंद आसात.
You have not shown from where
that revenue will come.
You are talking about an entry tax of tourists into Goa. Even that is being protested by people.
Yes,
and don't know whether
कितले
you are
रियलाइज
going to-
जातले ताजेर डाउट आसा.
Yes.
So वेळ
And
सोपला म्हजो.
There's just one more point. I would
सांगात,
just
सामको
hope
वेळ सोपला.
that an IIT chief minister would go beyond thinking about Goa human resource development as training youth for security and housekeeping. That is too commonplace. We have to think about
Much beyond
world
planning should be like that.
IT and other progressive areas, and I think if we do that and we take a reality check and
then only
keep doing it.
there will be some hope. सामको सोपला वेळ. म्हाका खबर आहा अर्दवरा भितर हो जावपाचो विषय न्ही, पण वेळ सामको सोपला. इतल्याचेर आमी ही वाचवाच उलयता. तुम्ही दोगी जाण आयली, गिव अ हॉनेस्ट प्रॅक्टिकल पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह टू दिस होल डिबेट. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात स्टुडंट.
Thank you.
नमस्कार.
Thank you.